all set and ready to go. Just hosing this thing down with all-purpose cleaner as usual. Set it and forget it, and maybe a little bit of scrubbing. I feel like this one's gonna be really good because of how dirty this vehicle is. It's gonna look really visually pleasing when I blast this thing off. I'm already out of sauce here. Nice to do a little pre-soak here, just help this grime wash off, I hope. This guy must have just drove here from Ontario. That's a long ways. That's halfway across Canada, basically. I don't know how many kilometers. 4,000. This here, it's called a rotary tip or turbo nozzle. Rotary nozzle, turbo nozzle. I like it. It's really good. It's super aggressive, and I've never damaged the paint with it once. You know, obviously use it on quality vehicles that have quality paint. You know, if the paint's all peeling off, you can't use any pressure washer. I soaped the engine bay down like 3 times. Owner of this vehicle, they said they had a ceramic coating done on here. And as you can see, there ain't no ceramic coating done on here. That's what I thought. Somebody scammed this guy with a junky ceramic coating, I think, or maybe he beat this thing up and the ceramic coating came off. These rooms are so dirty, they're just full of grit and sand in there. I didn't want to put my brushes back in the bucket. I'd rather just put them on the dirty ground. Ugh, these things are so gross. I don't really like pushing around all that nasty dirt on here. Just scratching them, but they're so full of dirt. Not much I can do about them. I spent so much time rinsing these out to try and get all the dirt out of there, and it just didn't come out. Now this one here, it's getting the classic blue brush love. Blue brush is going to work fine on this engine bay. It's going to do a good job. I'm definitely going to clean this grill with my brush because it needs a brush anyway. So. I use my mitts on the back here just because these angles are a little bit weird for that mitt on a stick. Especially for these areas, this is where this brush really excels. Oh, it's dirty under there. Gotta be careful with that. Rinse this brush out really well after. There could be the odd grain of sand in there, even though I did pressure wash. Okay, I think I can pretty much confirm this car has absolutely zero ceramic coating. Alright, so this thing has no ceramic coating. I'm going to be doing a quick spray on ceramic sealant. The one I'm going to be using here is called DIY Detail Quick Beads. I've only used DIY Detail Quick Beads and Geon Wet Coat. I'm not sure which brand I like better. I'm trying the DIY Detail because I think I like the DIY Detail better. This spray bottle here, it's almost empty. I think this is like, I didn't fill this thing right up to the top, but I filled it up, 3/4 of the way. And this is the third vehicle that I've been able to use this product on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squirts per panel. And these two brands or products or whatever, they always say rinse bottom up. Alright, not bad. Let's give it a feel. It does feel much slicker to the touch. Nothing like a real polish and ceramic coating, but yeah. It's looking actually like it's ceramic coated now. Can't be driving around with the hood down. This thing feels lumpy.